Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is mango kheerni. Now kheerni is Sindhi Sabudana Kheer, which we usually make on festive occasions. Now since it is mango season, I made it with a little twist by adding some mango pulp to it. So let's proceed to make mango kheerni. You can even check out the other kheerni recipe. I'm sharing the link in the I button. You can check it out. So let's proceed to make mango kheerni. We have taken half liter of full cream milk and sabudana quarter cup. I have soaked them for 2-3 hours. Now they have doubled in size and we have half cup of sugar, half cup of mango puree, and then we have little bit of ghee and cardamom powder, pinch of salt, few strands of saffron, and some pistachios and almonds for garnishing. First take a thick bottomed pan and pour the milk. Now we'll wait till the milk starts to boil. Keep stirring in between. Once it begins to boil, reduce the flame. Intermittently keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now add the saffron and cardamom powder. Give it a stir. Also add the soaked sago or sabudana, also known as tapioca pearls, and little bit of ghee. Now this is a tip I learned from my grandmother, why we add ghee to the kheerni. It adds richness and flavor to the kheerni, and also sabudana don't stick together. So this is the tip, important tip. Keep stirring until the sabudanas get cooked well and they double in size and they become translucent. Halfway through, add the sugar. We are saving little bit for the mango puree. It's getting cooked. You can see the sabudanas are bigger in size. Now check the sweetness and add sugar if required. It's always better to taste and then add later. And finally, a pinch of salt. This is added towards the end because it might curdle the milk. A tiny pinch of salt balances the flavors. Now we'll cook the mango puree. Transfer the puree into a saucepan, wide saucepan, and keep stirring it. Stir until the moisture is gone and it becomes dry like a jam consistency. Add sugar. I'm adding very little because Alfonso mango is very sweet. So check it out and then add the sugar accordingly. Keep stirring continuously. You can see the water is all drying up. When it is 3/4 done, switch off the flame because the pan is hot enough, and continue to stir so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now this is done. We are going to stir it into the kheerni. You can see already in few minutes the kheerni has thickened. Mix both of them together and the kheerni is done. flavorful mango kheer. It's a lovely twist, isn't it, during the mango season? I love making mango recipes during summer. Give it a good stir and you can just dish it out and serve. Enjoy it at room temperature or chilled, the way you like. This is a perfect consistency. Garnish it with some nuts, cardamom powder and some soaked saffron strands. If you are not serving it right away, you can keep the consistency little thinner because it thickens quite fast, or you can even dilute it with little sweetened milk. So here is a delicious treat for mango lovers. Mango Sabudana Kheer or Amba Kheerni. Make and enjoy. Friends, those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. See you soon with a new recipe. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. Check them out if you have missed them. Have a nice day.